everyone, this is Ashley at confectioneryhouse.com and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. This week I'm showing you how to make edible glue, which really comes in handy when you're working with fondant and gum paste and you need to stick pieces together. So if you're making that gum paste bow and you need to glue your bow loops together, this is what you're going to use to do that. All you need to make edible glue is tylose powder and some water. To get started, all you have to do is take 2 tablespoons of warm water, a 1/4 teaspoon of tylose powder added to the warm water. And if you have a tiny whisk, not only are they super cute, they are perfect for whisking tylose powder. It's going to be kind of lumpy. Once you let it sit for a little while, the gum glue will turn into a syrupy consistency. Gonna whisk this in. You'll never get all of the lumps out as hard as you try, so it's best to cover it with some plastic wrap or a lid. Put your edible glue in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or until these lumps dissolve. The gum glue will turn into a syrupy consistency, and that's when it's optimal to use. So I'm going to put some saran wrap over this, put it in the refrigerator, and we'll come back in a couple of hours, but you won't have to wait that long because although 2 Minute Tuesday usually goes over 2 minutes, I won't make you wait. I'll be right back. All right, we're back after an hour of our gum glue sitting in the refrigerator. It's actually ready to use right now. It's turned into a syrupy situation, which is what we want. And this is when it's ideal and best to work with. All you need is a paintbrush to apply gum glue to your fondant and gum paste and just paint a little on, and you can attach your decorations to the side of a cake or glue pieces of fondant or gum paste together, and this is all you need.